What's up, y'all, and welcome back to our unboxing. Today we got another series of back to school CNFANS haul. If you guys want to check out any items, check out the spreadsheet which is linked down below. We've got 4,000 items which you guys can choose from, and if you guys want to get cheaper shipping, make sure to also click the link down below. You get around about $500 worth of shipping coupons which you guys can use upon shipping your hauls. And now let's start unboxing. On to the first item, we have some chrome hearts glasses, as you guys can see. Now let's take them out and let's check what they look like. On this side they have like the daggers and stuff like that. And now let's put them on. As you guys can see, this is how they look like when you put them on. You get an additional 10 IQ, I think, if you wear glasses in school or something like that. And yeah, this is what the glasses looks like. The case also comes with like a chrome hearts dagger, which is out of silver. And yeah, these glasses was around about $50 to $60 if I'm not sure, but this is a one-to-one. You can also have the glasses customized to your eyesight, and I have them done like that because I want to look smarter when I'm in school. You guys know I don't go to school. And yeah, now let's check on the next item. On to the next item, we have a chrome hearts crew neck. As you guys can see, it has the chrome hearts on the side of it, and on the back it has a chrome hearts logo. Now before we say anything about this was like 35 bucks if I'm not sure. And yeah, now let's check it out. Now we put it on. As you guys can see, this is how it looks like when you wear it. On the side you have the chrome hearts sleeves, as you guys see, and on the back you have the chrome hearts logo. Honestly, for the price you're paying, this is a complete steal. And for going back to school, this is super fire piece. And now let's get some chain. So on to the next item, we have a chain. This is Sonic chain, as you guys can see. This Sonic chain also comes with like a normal chain, but I think this needs to be like tighter so it fits like this. But honestly, for the money you're paying, this was like 24 bucks. This is a complete steal, 100% recommended. And yeah, if you guys want it, it's linked to the spreadsheet under the section of my YouTube items or something. It's on the screen right now. And yeah, now let's check on the next item. On to the next item, we have some gallery adapt pants, as you guys can see. They look something like this, and on the back they're like they go over the shoes. I don't know what this type of pants are called, but yeah. And as you guys can see, this from the back, this is the full paint on it. And yeah, this is what they look like. And for the price you're paying, is a complete steal. I think these go for around about $25 if I'm not sure. And yeah, totally a steal. The details on them are super good. Now let's check on the next item. On to the next item, we have a Dior bag. In this bag you can fit a lot of things. Just look at the details of it. And this bag was around about $170 if I'm not sure. It's fully leather, as you guys can see on the back. This one broke because I had like 30 kills on it, and it's made for like 15 or something. So if you carry a lot of books, I would not recommend this. But if you have like a chill life in school and you're not lazy to take out your books, I'll 100% get this. And yeah, this is a total great. Let me just show you what it looks like when you put it on. When you put it on, it looks something like this on the back. Like a quick idea, let me just tighten it up so I'll show you. When you wear it to school, it looks something like this, and honestly for the price it's alright. But there are cheaper alternatives which we'll be unboxing in the future videos, because I'm gonna specialize on this back to school thingy. And yeah, if you guys want to get it or not get it, honestly for me it's a 5 out of 10 because it broke. But yeah, now let's check on to the next item. On to the next item, we have some Balenciaga track LEDs. I think these track LEDs cost me around about $60. I've worn these for a year, by the way, guys, just to show you. Quality doesn't matter. I think I have these for 2 years. Editor, pull up the video when I unbox them.
Flashback.
As you can see, these are the Balenciagas. I will show you it. Here you can see.
End of flashback.
So yeah, as you guys can see, that's when I unboxed them. I've worn them a lot in the winter, in dirty weather, and the quality on them is just super insane. The LED, you have to charge them for the LED, because I didn't charge them. You have like a USB port on the back, but they surely light up. And honestly, for the price you're paying, 60 bucks, these held out so much. 100% a cop. Now let's get to the next item. We have another shoe. On to the next item, we have some shoes which are perfectly fitting the outfits we're wearing right now. As you guys can see, this is what they look like. They even match the color of the crew neck. This is the sole of them. They're super clean. I've never worn these, I think. On the front they have the size 44. By the way, just take a comparison to my head. These are super big for the size, and you could probably stomp on someone's face. Like, this is a Shaq O'Neal foot. Look at this shit. And yeah, honestly, for the price you're paying, these are super good quality. I think these go for around about $80 to $70. But if you guys use my coupon code, of course, which is called VALK, you guys will save around about $15 on this purchase. And yeah, now let's check on the next item. On to the next item, we have an EverX United States of America jacket. This jacket costs me around about 200 bucks. This is fully leather jacket. It's real leather, and I've worn these a lot because the quality is super nice on it. And honestly, for the price you're paying, super good steel. Just look at the details on the back of it. super clean. On the inside too, like you have the EverX logo and stuff. And now let me put it on and show what it looks like. It's something what it looks like when you put it on. And honestly, this is super clean. I mean, just take a look at it. Yeah, can't say anything wrong about it. It looks super clean, and for the money you're paying, this is, by the way, fully leather. I would 100% recommend getting this if you have the money for it. If not, I will have different alternatives linked down below. And yeah, now let's check on 2D last item. Weird fact, you can even use this as a pencil case. I don't know why, but yeah, cool. And on to the last item, we have a special item. This is a great gift for your dad when you're going back to school. A belt. This Hermes belt was 1-to-1 quality, by the way, reselling purposes. It's cost like $50, and if you are bad in school, you can always, and it's very good for your dad because you never know when you get bad grades. So this is a more durable one, so it won't really break. So if you get a beating, you might not survive it, but it's a great gift for your dad. And thank you for watching, guys. If you wanna check out any other videos, make sure to subscribe, and yeah, peace out.